Welcome to this presentation. I am excited to walk you through the Blogger's Guide to Content Innovation. Hello everyone, my name is Palak Jain and I am here to talk about how AI powered tools can make content creation easier and more effective. With the rise of digital communication, content creation has become essential for building personal brand or for marketing and sharing valuable information, and on the daily basis getting new ideas is really difficult, right? So if this difficulty is not resolved, then it will lead to the inconsistent publishing and and decline in the engagement of audience. So what if there was a way to make content creation easier and more effective? That's exactly what this project aims to achieve by developing an AI powered blog platform. This platform will make it easy for users to generate, edit, read, manage their post with a simple way. By simplifying content management, bloggers can maintain a consistent and effective online presence. Now that we covered our vision, let's talk about who this platform is for and who is being benefited for this. This platform is for anyone who aims to create a content on daily basis or for not a seasonal basis or for business marketing, anyone. So here are the few target audience, like students, bloggers and content creators, business owners and markets. Let's see how business owners and markets. Our platform will provide content marketing solutions to drive brand awareness and customer engagement. Next comes to the freelancers, helping freelancers and remote workers build a personal brand through effective blogging. Next comes to authors and writers. How will our platform help them is assist authors in promoting their work, sharing writing tips and engaging with reader. Now that we covered how who this platform is for, let's talk about the features of our platform. First feature comes up with AI powered content generation. What it does is it will create with no time a content with that too with a high qualified content. Next comes to the smart summarization. What it does is it will take the complete article or blog content, anything, it will summarize it. How it does is it will take the keyword points and it will summarize to the brief, wherein it will complete covers the complete topic. Next comes to the idea generation. Even on the daily basis, generating an idea is really difficult, right? So our platform will provide for generation innovative ideas, depending on the in today's generation. Next comes to the grammar and style improvement. Our platform will not only correct the grammatical errors, but it will also suggest new sentences, and it will like polish the complete content in a professional basis. Next comes to the social media captions. Right, social media in this digital age plays a wide role. So our platform will give captions for the post which is where the which the user inputs. Next to that, we have covered the vision of our project features. Next comes to the technology stack. What we will be using in this. For front end, we'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What HTML does is it will handles the structure part, like the complete structure of the website. CSS is the style part. JavaScript is the code part. Next comes to the backend. Includes the server side language like Node.js to manage data, and server logic frameworks like Express.js for backend development. Now that we covered a front end back end, it's time to know how we'll be managing that data, how we'll be storing data. This all thing is done by the MongoDB with no SQL or SQL for unstructured and unstructured structured data. So the role of backend here is database, like MongoDB and front end can't communicate. So backend basically is the way for communication between front end and a database. We'll also be using AI integration like Llama 3 via Hugging Face API, Yeah, this is the complete technology stack. Now that you know, now that we covered about technology stack, let's look out the complete architecture of our project. So the complete architecture you can see here on the screen. It's like we'll be starting with the front end browser, Node.js, Express.js, and then the access to server function. We'll be using deep learning models where the invoke AI service, Llama, and API. So this is the complete, basically this is the complete architecture of our project. To sum up, so yeah, now it's we covered everything. To sum up, our AI powered blog platform will make content easier and more effective. We are excited about its potential to help you grow your audience. Thanks for your time. Stay tuned as we continue to develop this project. It's just the beginning. Thank you.